guys, there's a little food on the eye, so it's just burning. It's not my fault. I know how to cook.
So, do you have any like
I'm getting tired in this waiting game. Wherever I am, I'm missing where I am. And lately my mind's been filled with so much angst. I love it here, but wanna be upstate. Where I wanna be is a picture that I paint. Sometimes I find it's better than the real thing. Where I wanna be.
What's good, Rant crew? So, are y'all ready for these world-renowned tacos? I don't think y'all are. But okay, so these are the ingredients that I'm using along with a few extra spices. I have my white rice to go with the tacos. I'm doing a chicken taco today. I also have, as you can see, the old El Paso taco shells, some Tabasco, some peach mango jalapeno salsa, the chicken, as well as some lettuce to go on the tacos. I also have some tomatoes. They're in the fridge because they're very vulnerable to temperature, so those are going to stay in the fridge. But I have just the little cherry tomatoes that I'm using along with my other spices to flavor. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started. Okay guys, so I have my chicken here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this bowl so I can rinse it off. I always rinse off all of my meat before I cook it. I don't know why. I'm just OCD like that. And this is also the point where if you see any fat on your meat, you could go ahead and cut it off so you don't have to cook it and have to chew up fatty meat or gristly meat or any type of, you know, what do you call them? Any type of tendons on the meat you want to cut off. Okay, and then I'm going to grab a paper towel to get off the excess water, and then we're going to go ahead and start seasoning the meat. So I just put my paper towel right there on top of the chicken and pouring the excess water off. Okay, let's come over to the counter here. We're going to go ahead and season the chicken. Use a little bit of black pepper. I like to season my meat very generously. Some cayenne. Some garlic. Some Tajin. I never used this on my tacos before, but we're going to try it out because it's very flavorful and we're going to see how it turns out. And I usually have some garlic in here. Where's the garlic? Oh, we usually have onion in here, so that's what I'm using, onion. Don't be afraid to season your meat, y'all. I also have some Saigon Sunrise. We're gonna use a little bit of that. You can get this at your local HEB store. It's very yummy. I got some Baja Chipotle, so I'm gonna use that. Just put that in there with a little bit of lime juice. If you have time, you can go ahead and let that set and marinate into your meat. I don't, so I'm gonna go ahead and stir this in. Poke it a little so that the chicken will get holes in it and the flavor will penetrate. Everything will be caught in here as this is cooking, and the flavor will like reseminate itself in throughout the meat. Well, good thing you got home when you did. So the house is still here, guys. It didn't burn up. Yeah, so let's just get back to the cooking. chicken. I've drained the water out, and I just added a little seasoning to taste. You can do salt if you'd like, and butter. I'm using Tony Chachere's and a little bit of I'm gonna do a little bit of butter. Here's the chicken. It's just resting after I've taken it out of the oven, so everything can get juicy and seasony. And we're pretty much done after that. Just need to get the taco shells out and the toppings. Very flavorful, very juicy chicken, just spicy enough, and I taste the lemon in the taco shells. Perfect.